How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in. Let's talk Gen 3 Raptors and what we're doing with our auto flasher kits, plug and play, and wire cut. Starting with the fog lights, it's a wire cut kit for the Raptors. More detail in the kit itself, no way around it, you gotta cut a wire. Then, for the headlights, this is the headlight plug. It's gonna be by your headlight. You're gonna interrupt it. It's gonna allow us to flash that amber DRL. It won't mess it up when you don't want it flashing. It's a Z102 adapter. Again, that's for the headlight, the amber DRL. It's the only auto flasher kit we have for the Raptor headlight. Working our way down from the highest level trim taillight. The high level trim taillight, full LED, fancy taillight with bliss and smart hitch, is a Z106 adapter. We can do parking light, red ring, and reverse. We can do reverse by itself or parking ring by itself. 3 options on this kit. It has this plug. Stepping down one to our upper middle level, it has this plug. That's a Z109. It looks like this. One of the notches is offset closer to the connector tab, as you can see. That's an upper middle level. It's going to have bliss and smart hitch, and all we're going to have for this is reverse. So, reverse plug and play for that. Lower middle level, this Raptor has 2 plugs. It has a plug like this, without the offset notch, and a smaller plug as well. We're only concerned with the plug like this for the lower middle level, and it will allow us to flash the reverse. This typically has bliss, but no smart hitch. Stepping all the way down to the base model Raptor with light bulbs and everything, nothing. I'm sorry. We don't have a kit for light bulbs. So that's what we have for the Raptors, for the plug and plays. Just so you can verify your truck will match. Thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings.